Hi, welcome to my Emma's YouTube channel. Today we're going to be painting a fox. You can use different colors, but so for the orange, I'm using outrageous orange. For the nose, I'm using candy pink. For the black, I'm using just black. And then for the white, I'm using Snow White. Okay, so here are my brushes. I'm going to be doing like right here first. I'm gonna use the white. So get some of that. Paint on it like that. Try to make sure there's no like lumps on it. You can also paint over this if you like want a second layer, but I'm just gonna probably do one layer like that. Okay, now we're gonna do the tail. You don't really have to make this color, but you can, like that. I'm trying to make it pointy. It's not really working, but it's okay. The orange will cover it. Yeah, here's my palette. Also, I'm going to be using one of these 3 buttons for one of the eyes, because I'm actually making something that I already have, like I'm remaking it to fox, because it is a fox, so yeah. That. Okay, when you're done like doing that, you can color here if you want, unless you want an orange, but I want a white, like the fur. It's like he has this white belly, yeah, and it's furry belly. It's cute. Also, that is not his eye. He doesn't have an eye. That's if you wanted to like hang it like somewhere. Okay, there's his belly. Okay, now you can like take some water and you can like rinse it. So you can change the color. So it's not like a light color. Like that. Wipe it on the sides, or I can use a napkin like that. Okay, I just used a napkin. I don't know. Yeah, you can't see it, but I used it. So now I'm gonna use the pink for the ears and the nose. You don't really need the pink. If you want a black nose and a different color inside of the ear, but I want this color. Okay, there's mine so far. I'm gonna rinse this. Okay, so now you can take your orange orange, or if you want a different colored fox, you can. Here, I'm gonna move this. Okay. Yeah, you don't really have to use these colors if you don't want to. You can even make the fox white. You can make him brown, or her. It doesn't matter. It's yours. It's okay. You should probably have paper under it just in case, like I do. Because just in case you get it off the paper, like I have. See, like that. Okay, now. Sorry for any background noises if you hear any, because there are gonna be some, maybe not, I don't know. I don't know what I just did. I don't know why I just did this. I just felt like doing it, so I did it. I'm going to make mine a magnet. My fox a magnet. It's a boy. Yeah, I'm gonna make it a magnet, and I'm gonna stick it on my fridge. Yeah. Yeah, you should probably not try to get right here if you want it white or black right here. Like I want it black. Okay, oh, I need to move him down. Yeah, I want it black, so I'm gonna color it black. You can do white, you can do brown, you can even do pink if you wanted to. You can make them any color you want. Here, let me move my fox up so you can see it better. There. So I'm actually gonna add like 3 dots for you know, I don't know, I can't think of it, but I'm actually gonna do this. And then I'll show you when it's dry. Oh, that did not work out. Oh, it's still okay. I want it to be a girl, but it's a boy. Here, I'm also gonna trace this. No, actually, because I might mess that up, so I'm not gonna do that, and I'm just gonna do this real quick. Okay, I'll be back when it's dry. Bye. Hi, I'm back. I'm going to be picking one of these buttons. I think I'm gonna choose this one. I'm gonna move these 2 aside. I don't need them anymore. And I'm gonna take this glue and I'm gonna put some right there. And then I'm gonna put this button down. There we go. There.
For his eye.
Yeah, that's his eye. And so you can take a paintbrush. I put a layer right there. We're gonna try to cover up that hole with paint. You can get your paint ready, and you can do this. You can cover it up. Yeah, I'll probably add more layers after, but yeah, there you can just put layers until you can't see the hole. And
you put another layer on this too, remember? The orange?
Yeah, I put another layer right here, and here, here, and here, and here.
But then she realized she shouldn't have done that because she plans on, when this dries, we'll come back and she's going to put glitter on a tail and on down here on the black and on the pink.
Yeah, I forgot.
And we'll be back.
Hi, I decided I'm going to add glitter to my project. I'm going to be doing the ears and the nose. This one's called Blush. It's pink, and I'm going to be using podge for the glue. Okay, so we have it here. I'm putting it on. You can get all the extras off. Wait. Yeah, okay. So, yeah, there you go. Okay, next one I'm going to be using is a white. It's called Snow. I'm going to be using this one next for the tail right here. Then you can pick it up and flip it over and make this so the glitter gets off. Now we look shiny. Okay, so now you can get more for the feet. Okay, now you can dump the extras off. Okay, and now I'll be back when it dries. Hi, he's all dry besides like right here and here. I already put like 3 layers on the hole right here. I'm probably gonna have to add another one on. But like and subscribe and have a wonderful everything.